Okay, so here, since if we start with matrix A, a 2 by 2 matrix whose entries are little a down below little b, little c down below little d, then we have a formula for the inverse of the matrix. It's a multiplicative inverse. The formula is 1 over cross product minus cross product times the original matrix where we have swapped the diagonals in this direction. We've swapped them out. So the A is below and the D is above. We do not swap these guys on this diagonal. Instead, we just put negative signs in front of them. We change their sign, in other words. Well, since that's true, we can conclude the following. Thus, I'm just going to rewrite this as A inverse equals 1 over the word that we have for cross product minus cross product, determinant. The determinant of A. 1 over the determinant of A times little d down below negative b, and then negative c down below little a. So all I did here, and I'm going to put it in a cloud also, I just changed the terminology for this guy. It's the same formula as before, but now we wrote the denominator, instead of AD minus BC, we wrote it as a determinant of A. Now here's an important thing for you to remember. And since division by 0 is undefined, if you're given, because of that, if you're given that the determinant A is equal to 0, then you know something about the inverse. A inverse does not exist. And that's because if the determinant is 0, that means in this formula that we just wrote, the denominator would be 0. And when you have a 0 denominator, the expression just doesn't exist.